Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to edit smart object text in Photoshop. Let's get started. See this text layer with smart object. Double click the smart object icon. Click OK. Then open new window and see this. Press Ctrl T. Resize or change text. Double click. Change text. Press Ctrl V. I already copy this text. Then then press Ctrl S say, and close it and see this edited smart object text. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.